Nutrition in Plants, the first chapter of the Standard 7th NCERT. So let's move on. The introduction of this chapter. Food is essential for all living organisms. Carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, and minerals are components of food. Humans and animals are directly or indirectly dependent for food on plants. Mode of nutrition in plants. Nutrition is the mode of taking food by an organism and its utilization by the body. In the autotrophic mode of nutrition, organisms make food themselves from several substances. Auto is equal to self, tropho is equal to nourishment. In the heterotrophic mode of nutrition, organisms do not make food themselves and depend on other organisms for food. Heteros is equal to others. So those are the main points. In the last slide, I'll explain you the whole thing. Photosynthesis. That's the main point of this whole chapter. Leaves are the food practice of plants. Water and minerals present in the soil are absorbed by the roots and transported to the leaves. Carbon dioxide from air is taken in through tiny pores present on the surface of the leaves. These pores are called stomata and are surrounded by guard cells. The leaves have a green pigment called chlorophyll. It helps leaves to capture the energy of the sunlight. The synthesis of food occurs in the presence of sunlight, therefore it is called photosynthesis. Photo meaning light and synthesis means to combine. You may copy this and it is one of the answer. The whole process of photosynthesis is covered in this. So this is the equation CO2 plus H2, sun's energy and chlorophyll. All this together result in C6H12O6, that's sugars, plus O2. Okay. Thank you guys for watching this video.